Hey guys, it's Kelsey and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that notifications bell. You can also find me on Instagram at kelsey.ryan. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I button, zip, and put on a belt with one hand. Okay, so when I'm buttoning, I don't even use this arm, I do it all with my hand. So, I usually put my finger through the hole and then I'll push the button with my thumb to push it through. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how I zip. Okay, so when I'm zipping, I'll usually prop my leg up so I can reach it better, and I'll push my arm down, put the zipper in, push down, and zip up. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how I put on a belt. So I already have the belt through all of the loops because I feel like that's pretty easy to do with one hand, and I just wanted to focus on the buckle part because that's probably the hardest thing to do with one hand. So I put the belt through the buckle, and then I take it as tight as I need it, hold it with this arm, and then get it through the hole, and then I just push it down with my arm until it goes into one of the loops, and there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you have any questions or suggestions for a different video you'd like me to do, leave those in the comments below. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks, bye!